Ninigret Pond project is complete and we wanted to show you around. One of the things on the client's wish list was a big open floor plan. The original house did not have anything remotely close to an open floor plan, nor did it take advantage of any of the water views. So we wanted to make sure we gave them those two things, and I think we delivered. We have the wet bar behind us, which opens into the living room, and then out to the screen porch, dining area and kitchen, all surrounded by the water views. So that was a big part of the design and how we created the flow of each area to work with one another. So we took those ideas and created a general theme for the house, which you'll see throughout, of less is more. The client wanted a somewhat informal dining area. It just kind of binds the spaces together, but we really wanted to maximize on the views.
In this project, we optimize the views. The original house that was here had the same siding and had views from only 2 rooms in the entire house. Now they have views from pretty much every room in this house. The spaces flow seamlessly together, which is exactly what they wanted.
So the clients came to us knowing that they wanted something a little more contemporary, but being by the coast, we had to have a nod of that coastal element throughout the house. So we have our blues and our whites and our lighter oak tones for that coastal feeling, but we went with some of your not so typical materials to give it a unique feel. With the open concept floor plan in mind, we wanted to make sure that the clients had a space to kind of tuck away when they were entertaining. So we have a pretty vast working pantry with large storage and lots of functionality. So behind me is the living room, and as you can tell, we have a very comfortable sitting area. We wanted to promote and engage conversation and flow throughout the rest of the space. We kept a fairly neutral color palette. We wanted to bring in pops of blue and texture here and there. Keeping with the theme of less is more, we wanted to go with minimal millwork. As you can see, we have the ceiling beams, we have floating shelves, but we wanted to really focus on the custom built-in 3-sided fireplace.
The fact that we both work for the Sweenor design team helps us to collaborate. I'm doing so much on the design in the beginning of the concept. It's just conceptual, and then everything gets developed, and that's where I feel the collaboration makes it even better.
It kind of just evolves, and we take advantage of any spaces that we can have storage solutions or creative elements, and planning ahead of time enables us to make any accommodations that we might need to.
Which helps to make the process go smoother for the homeowner.
So adjacent to the living room, you can see is the wet bar. We wanted to stay within that theme of coastal, but also make it a little bit different. We brought in some warm brass tones, some rated glass for a different texture. The clients wanted to reuse their existing bar stools from a previous project, so we wanted to make sure that we had a combination of both those cooler coastal blues and those brass tones to kind of merge the two together. The clients have a pretty vast wine collection, so we wanted to make sure that they had a separate, unique space to display and store their wine bottles.
The interior design part of the project is very personal. When you get into the personal touches of the detail level that an interior designer does, there has to be a connection between the interior designer and the homeowner.
Now we're in the office. Something that the client wanted to reuse was this slab of walnut. They had it originally kitty-cornered into a wall and it was floating. But with the layout of this space, we knew that we wanted to make it more of a focal piece. So we brought it into the shop and had the guys smooth out the corners of the desk right here where it was mounted on brackets, where it was floating. As you can see, the live edge is deeper on this side than it is on this side. And because of that, we had custom legs built. So it lent the shape of the legs to end up in a K formation, which is ironically the last name of the homeowners, which was kind of a fun surprise to share with them. Part of the issue that we ran into when designing this desk was that we knew we didn't want to have a bunch of wires or cords hanging down on the front. So what we did was run an extension cord behind this supporting brace down through the legs and into the floor. So that enabled the client to have a tidy workspace doubling as a piece of art. And then behind the desk, we have a built-in for ample storage and artwork display. So this is the master bedroom. Something that the clients knew that they wanted was a built-in bed with ample storage. As you can see, we have the double nightstands with docking drawers inside of them to reduce wire clutter, compartments on the sides, and storage underneath the bed as well. One of the interesting things about this side is that this cabinet is not functional. We wanted to use that storage space on the other side, so come on. So this is the primary bathroom. As you saw on the other side, there was a non-functional cabinet, and that was to allow us to have a hidden hamper. So that is using the space from the other side built in the bedroom. The driving factor for the design of this bathroom was the light fixture. The rest of this area evolved around it. We knew we wanted to make it a little bit more coastal, so we went with the nickel gap walls. We took this wood tone and carried it throughout the space. Something else that was a driving factor of this design was an idea image that was shared by the client of a super cool slab wall in the shower. So we went on a treasure hunt to find this blue Roma quartzite, and I think that we delivered. On the other side of this vanity is a water closet, and because we have these high ceilings, we didn't want to make it feel like it was a super small space. So the architectural designer incorporated a transom window above these mirrors to let in some of this natural light. This was a really fun project to work on. I enjoyed getting to know the clients and getting to know their style preferences. There's a lot of thought, organization, and planning for it to be seamless.
What I am most proud of is that the homeowners are happy. They get to use this house and enjoy it, make memories.